Forest Service Road 648 and 823, also known as Black Bear Pass, is located 10 miles north of Silverton, Colorado in the San Juan National Forest and is considered a difficult trail. A difficult trail means your 4x4 should have a lift with aggressive articulation, larger tires, sliders, bumpers, skid plates, lockers, and a winch in order to minimize damage. If you have a full-size vehicle, it may not meet the turning radius, approach, departure, and breakover angle requirements. This pass is closed November through April. We recommend calling the Forest Service for current trail status. Depending on your vehicle, driving style, and weather conditions, it will take approximately 3 hours to complete once you reach the trailhead. The trail is roughly 14 miles long, starting at 11,000 feet, with its highest point just over 12,800 feet, but it drops almost 4,000 feet on the other side of the pass. Please note that from the top of the pass down to Telluride is one way. Please check out the link below for detailed information about this trail. If you're feeling adventurous, there are several other trails in the area worth exploring as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and support creating content like this on patreon.com/overlandtracks.